This Phantom wallet shows $3.5 million. Every dollar made from launching meme coins. No guessing, no chasing pumps, just a repeatable playbook. Stay locked in, I'm breaking down exactly how it works. Let me guess, you've been buying meme coins hoping to get rich. Same. I did that for months, but every win was followed by 10 losses, because no matter how early I got in, someone else was always exiting harder. And the worst part, most of those coins were rugs. No liquidity, no plan, just scams with a logo. So I made the switch. Instead of being the victim, I became the launch. Now I create the coins, launch them, watch buyers flow in, and when the chart hits a all-time high, I secure profit by removing the liquidity. It's not luck, it's strategy. It's repeatable and it works. Watch this video, I'll show you how to launch a coin from scratch, get it listed, and start flipping the game. Let's go. But obviously this video was made for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me, cap! Now most people stick with Pump.Fun because it looks really fucking easy. But here's the problem. It's completely oversaturated. Hundreds of coins launch every single hour and your coin gets buried instantly. On top of that, you don't even control your own liquidity, meaning if your coin actually pumps, you cannot pull profits out or manage a chart. That's why I use create tokens.io. Here, your token launches directly on Raydium. It gets instantly graduated / migrated, and you control everything from supply to liquidity. It's faster, cleaner, and gives your coin way more visibility than Pump.Fun ever could. So please bro, use this website. Now when you are ready to launch a coin on createtokens.io, you've got two ways to go about it. Option 1, build a coin from scratch. So go on Twitter or any social media platform and pick a hot narrative. Then name your token, add a symbol, and drop in a 128 by 128 logo, and then hit create. That's your original launch and it's clean and straightforward. But option 2, it's my personal favorite and honestly the most profitable. Use the copy trending coins feature. It posts tokens that are already blowing up on Pump.Fun. These coins already have traffic, volume, and eyes on them. When you copy and launch them here, they go straight to Raydium. And because the hype is already baked into all these coins, you get instant buyers and way more profits without even guessing. Both methods work, but if you want speed and maximum upside, that second method is the move. Okay, enough talk. Let's launch a coin right now and actually make some fucking bread. So make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website, then refresh the list to have all the new fresh coins. Ayo. Anyways, I'm gonna copy a coin that looks decent. I'm gonna copy the, I don't know, test coin, right? It has a last buy 7 seconds ago, right? And a $25.7 thousand market cap, right? So click on create coin and ignore the warning from Phantom, just go through it, confirm, 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 then the coin should be created. Just give it a bit of time for it to, copy, right? And then click on create liquidity pool to, make your coin tradable. Now this page is super straightforward. All we're doing is adding liquidity so your token can be tradable on Raydium. That means people can buy in and sell out without any issues. Okay, now there's two different steps. For the amount token A, just drop 90%. That's gonna put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool, and you are keeping 10% in your dev wallet, right? Now for the amount token B, think of it as your own first purchase. You're the first ever buyer, so the Solana isn't gone. It's locked in as liquidity, and later on, that money will come out inside your Phantom wallet. And yeah, so just remember, the minimum is 0.3 SOL to kick things off. And you are not losing that money. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, oh my god, boom, the test coin is on live. We're at a $0 PNL. Now if you click on refresh once again, Now we're up $156, which means people are actively buying our coin. But anyways, click on view on photon to see the chart. Boom. Just give it a bit of time for it to load. Boom. Now I'm gonna go on full screen for you guys, and I'm gonna let this coin run for a bit. We're at a 1.6k market cap. We're getting buys and sells left and right. Life is good. We're chilling in the fucking Bahamas, making money while sipping lemonade. Let's fucking go. Fuck school. Come on, bro. Pump, bro. Pump. Buy, 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 buy. Yeah, bro. Let's fucking go. Come on now. Come on. Yeah. Oh my god. Come on, come on. $40. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, no, I'm getting rug pulled by my own fucking coin, bro. Oh my god, bro, I just got rug pulled. But anyways, I still believe in the coin. Come on, pump. Oh my god, no, no, no. This is bad. Come on, pump, pump. What? I'm getting rug pulled. Bro, I'm getting rug pulled on my own fucking coin. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, yeah, $35. Come on, come on. No! Bro, come on. But guys, anyways, I'm gonna let this coin run for a bit. I'm gonna be right back and we'll see where the coin is at. Be right back. Okay guys, I am back. We're at the 2.7k market cap and $1,500 in liquidity. Now if you want to make some money, come back to createtokens.io. And first of all, I'm going to click on refresh. And boom, we're up $1,500. Now click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. And now as you guys can see, we're going to receive 8.2 SOL, but click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin and make a shit ton of money. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, $1,500 all there, all real.